Alright, this video will help you walk through activity 2.1, number 3B. So very similar to our very first one, I'm going to set up a glass box. So I'm going to pick a point somewhere on my grid to start from. Counting lines as far as the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this out. And go ahead and start an outline for my box. Height-wise, I'm looking at 5 grid squares. Front face of my box, looking at the depth, counting 5 grid squares here. Draw back from the 3 corners. And then go ahead and make the connections in the back part of the box. So, faces that touch the outsides of the box. I usually start with the front face. So here, this one comes up 1, 2, 3. And then it's going to come over 2 lines. It's going to come up 1 line there. And then the same thing on the other side. It's going to be a pretty symmetrical face here. If you split it right down the middle, has the little rectangular cut in the front. As far as this, from this corner, this is going to go back like so. This corner, it goes all the way from front to back, full depth. This one here is going to get put in until it touches the back corner. This one will come back until it hits to 5 or hits the back of the box. They will connect. And then the only one I got to worry about is this little leg down here. And just darken your object lines. So you want to make sure to darken. So your glass box lines or construction lines really lighter. They may look a little darker on my video. I'm just making sure that they show up. And then as far as shading, so make sure your front gets shaded. So I'm not going to do the entire shading, but darkest edges on the front. So I usually just do a little bit of kind of gray for the sides, for the right sides to show, since this is top, front, right side orientation. Tops will stay white. And that'll kind of really go through and finish out number 3B. And then we'll take a look at some other of the objects that we have going on here.